Divide 986 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 8 and it is 48. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 986 divided by 5 is 197.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.